this video, we're going to balance more examples in chemical reaction. So in number 1, we have a zinc plus hydrochloric acid reacts to zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. So first of all, zinc has a 1 subscript and chlorine 1 subscript and 2 subscript, and hydrogen has 1 subscript here and 2 subscript here. So you need to put a 2 here. It's 2. Okay, so it is a balance now. Zinc has 1, hydrogen has 2, and chlorine has 2. Okay. In number 2 has chlorine gas plus sodium bromide reacts to sodium chloride plus bromide. So here in chlorine has 2 subscript here in reactant, and product has only 1, and sodium has only 1, and bromine has only 1 here and 2 here. So you need to put multiply by 2. So you need to multiply by 2. So 2 here and 2 here. So it is a balance already. Chlorine has 2 here, then sodium has 2, then bromide has 2. Okay, it's a completely balanced. How about in number 3? Well, number 3 has a calcium hydroxide plus nitric acid reacts to calcium nitrate plus water. So balance 2, we need to balance the reaction. Calcium has a 1 subscript here, and calcium in the product has a 1 subscript. Oxygen has a 2 subscript, here. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2 times 1 equals 2, plus 1 is 3. So it's not balanced. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And hydrogen has 2 plus 1 is 3. And hydrogen here is 2. So we need to balance the equation. So you multiply by 2 here, and in calcium is already a balance, and you multiply 2 in water. So it's completely balanced. 2 here, 4 here, 4 hydrogen, and calcium has 1 subscript. Oxygen has 6 plus 2, which is 8, and oxygen here is 8. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 equals 6. So it's completely balanced. So in number 4 has a potassium nitrate plus sulfuric acid reacts to potassium sulfate plus nitric acid. So we need to balance again the reaction. So potassium has 2 here and potassium has 1 here. And nitrate is complete compound. Nitrogen has 1, oxygen has 3, and oxygen 2 here is 4. So and hydrogen has 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So you need to balance the equation. So you multiply 2 in potassium nitrate. So multiply 2, and in nitric acid you put a 2 also. So it's a completely balanced. How about in number 5? In number 5, has water. Water reacts to hydrogen gas plus O2. So first of all, you need the hydrogen gas has 2 and oxygen gas has 1 here and 2 here, so it's not completely balanced. So you need to multiply by 2 here. So multiply 2 in water and multiply 2 in hydrogen gas. So it's completely balanced. How about in number 6? In 6, magnesium chloride reacts to magnesium plus chlorine gas. So magnesium has a 1 subscript and chlorine gas has a 1 subscript. So it's totally balanced. How about in number 7? 7 here. Right, in number 7, you have the nitrogen oxide, the trioxide. So number 7, the nitrogen trioxide plus water reacts to nitric acid. So reacts to nitric acid, HNO3. So here in the decomposition reaction, synthesis reaction, we need to balance this equation. So nitrogen has 2 here and nitrogen has 1 here, and oxygen has 3, they're the same, plus 1 which is 4, so they're not the same. So in hydrogen has 2 here and hydrogen has 1, so you need to multiply by 2 here. Okay, nitrate, this is a nitrate, sorry. Okay, this is a balance. In number 8, we have diphosphorus pentoxide plus water reacts to phosphoric acid. So diphosphorus pentoxide plus water reacts to phosphoric acid. Okay, phosphorus has 2 subscript here and phosphorus here has 1 subscript, so it's not the same. Oxygen gas has 5 plus 1 which is 6, and oxygen gas here is 4, and hydrogen gas here is 2, and hydrogen gas here is 3, so it's not completely balanced. So you need to multiply by 3 in water and 2 in phosphoric acid, so it's completely balanced. So, how about in number 9? Right, in number 9, we have a C4H10 plus O2 plus carbon dioxide plus water. So, C4H10. C4H10 plus O2 reacts to carbon dioxide plus water. So, four subscript here in carbon, so you need to put a 4 here. Okay? And four here, and you need to put 4. So 10 in hydrogen, which means 5. So 4 times 2, which is 12, 8. 4 times 2 equals to 8. So in oxygen equals 4 times 2 is equals to 8 plus 5 times 1, which is 5. So 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5 equals to 13. So equals to 13, right? So 13 divided by 2. So 13 divided 2, 13 over 2. So you need to put a 13 over 2 here. So it's completely balanced. How about the number 10? In number 10, number 10 has C5H12 plus O2 plus carbon dioxide plus water. So C5H12. C5H12 plus oxygen gas reacts to carbon dioxide plus water. So carbon has a 5 subscript, so you put 5 here, and now it's 5 here. You put a 5 here, and carbon has 12, so you put a 6 here. So 6 times 2 equals to 12, and then 5 times 1 equals to 5. So in oxygen, it's not completely balanced yet. In oxygen equals 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is equals to 10, plus 6 times 1 is equals to 6. So 10 plus 6 is equals to 16. And 16 divided by 2 is equals to 8. So you put a 8 here. Okay? So that's completely balanced. So that's all. Please like and subscribe.